Lovelies, my muffins, hope you're doing well. I love you so much. Your smartphone is just not for chatting, not for scrolling. It can be your monthly income tool. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine. I'm bringing for you a mind-blowing video once again. Today, I'm sharing 10 of the easiest ways to use your phone, your smartphone, to earn money every single month. And yes, you can start right now. Are you holding it in your hands? Let's dive in. But before we dive in, I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm just a smart lady that decided, let me give you what works for me and what is working for the few out there that know the code. You can also be part of us. So, to my special subscribers, thank you very much. You're welcome. Seats are there for you. And to you who is a top engager, I love you so much. To all the students who have followed our teachings, we love you. Welcome back, family. If you ever asked, how can I make money with just my phone? And people are there in dire agony. I'm telling you, they're dying in agony, lack, because they don't have money. This video is for you. Let's go straight to the 10 easiest ways for us to make money with this smartphone. The first one is YouTube Shorts. When I'm talking about YouTube, I'm meaning YouTube Shorts and long videos. Use your phone to film shorts, fun, and even educational videos. Once you grow your channel, your YouTube starts paying you through ad revenue, and the shorts will give you fund. So how do you come to really make sure that you've grown and you've started being monetized? On YouTube, especially if you're going to YouTube itself, you need to come every day. It has its own minimum requirements. If it is for long videos, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 1 year. Unlike Facebook, it is 60 days, but this one is 1 year. You guys, this one is very easy for you to reach it. Why? Because people will watch your content. People will look for you, provided you're consistent and you know what you want and you're focused. So use your phone to do this. Once you grow, you will come here and give us a testimony. You will be a witness. The second one is Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels, when I'm talking about it, I smile. Majority of the people have earned a lot of money from this. Post consistent, you people. When I'm saying post consistent, I mean it. Once you qualify like this, your Facebook pays you for your views. It's fast, fun. However, it is not that rosy because you have to adhere to standards, to make sure you're not into violating rights, community guidelines, and other things. But it is free to start. You don't need money. For you to earn also on Facebook, you have to have some number of followers, which is 5,000. And you also have to have watch minutes. Here it is minutes on Facebook, but on YouTube it is hours. So you need to know all this, and there you are. You will come here and give us a testimony. Should we go to TikTok Creator Fund as the third way to use your mobile phone? I know out there you're just watching and you say, I'm in Africa, I'm in the United Arab Emirates, and the Creator Fund is not made for that. Hold on, you girl. If you want to start earning money on Facebook as a Creator Fund or bonus, please go to the comment section and write it there. Head to my email, send me a message, start a masterclass. Boom, you are going to start earning money. This is for Africa. This is for people who are in Gulf and you're not in UK. You guys, this is the way, simple way. That's what I do. Most people don't know this, but I'll do it because there's going to be a masterclass. So if you love creating content, TikTok can pay you through their creator program. Once you hit the right metrics, you will be invited, and it takes very short time for you to be invited. Please don't depend on this temporary money like for fun, especially for brand sponsorship. Then there's this money, gifts, or you ask please, and especially in East Africa, especially Uganda, they have brought up the so-called Ruseki, begging. they have turned away from making content to begging. But you can beat this one. If you know you are watching a market show, you know you can beat these people. Since they don't watch me, they don't know that there is a way you can do it when you're in Uganda and you join this program. The fourth one is Affate Marketing. Affate Marketing is one of the best. You promote products from your phone, share your links. Every sale that comes through that link, you can earn a commission. You'll be asking me, how do I do it? Go and join Affate Associate programs like on Amazon. Right away, you start that. If you want to know the details, you can join and start my masterclass. If you're on Facebook, what you do, you only subscribe. If you're not on any platform, you pay masterclass fee, then I'll do it for you. Then let's go and see paid survey and apps. You can use paid survey and apps. This is what I started with, by the way. That's the first, what I motivated me to join online business entrepreneurship was paid apps. I started with paid work, but I encourage you to start with like Swagback, Toloka, or Pulpay. This one, they pay you to answer surveys, watch videos, or complete simple tasks all from your phone under the comfort of your home or vacation at the beach, wherever you are. The sixth one is sell photos online. You guys, I see you every day taking photos and put them just there. Sell your phone photos on stock websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. When we are doing videos, we always buy these photos. So the moment your photos are bought, this is passive income. You sit and receive your money. If you love snapping pics, make money from them. Don't just there for fun. Then at the end of the day, you start begging online. Virtual assistant jobs is a number 7. You can work as a virtual assistant irrespective of what you have, where you are, and what you're doing. Use your phone to manage emails, respond to messages, and assist small business online. So don't be there and use your smartphone unproductive. Freelancing with Fiverr or Upwork is number 8, the easiest way. You can offer your skills through freelancing, whether it's a voiceovers, whether it's writing or design. You can start with your phone and grow into a real monthly income. Number 9 is sell something on WhatsApp or Facebook Marketplace. I know some of you are going to start fighting with their keyboards. How that is a lie. You use WhatsApp status. What do you put on your WhatsApp status? Go to my WhatsApp status and see what I put there. Then you'll copy what I do. Facebook Marketplace, it promotes and sells. You can promote and sell anything from there. From clothes to gadgets, even to food, without forgetting there is also services. Teach or coach online is number 9. This phone you see it's like a money tool. You can use it to teach, whether it is tutorial, coaching, or mentoring. Record videos. You can even go live. People pay for knowledge. What are you waiting for? So there you are, guys. I've given you good 10 easy ways to use your smartphones for monthly earnings. And if I do it, why not you do it? Out of these 10 I've given you, I use more than 5. Now, do you want to do it? Do you want to get a masterclass? Do you want to learn more on this? Please, you can follow me and send me an email, official email on my email. Then we are going to start right away. You can join other people. Start today, be consistent, and earn monthly with that smartphone. Which one would you really feel like you can start with? Don't forget, you guys, that consistency, focus is always a tool. Don't forget also to like this video and please share it to your loved ones because they need to know for them not to misuse their time with their phone. See you in another video. Bye-bye.